Hi, I'm Doug Carroll, and welcome to Yield Curve Dynamics. In this session, we're going to look at a variety of issues related to yield curves, their construction, and their use in a variety of analytic applications to assess risk and return.
This course consists of 19 lectures spread across 5 sections, including topics of Introduction to Yield Curves, Duration and its applications, the level of rates and shape of the curve, spot rates and forward rates, total return analysis. Through this course, you'll be able to understand how yield curves depict fixed income instrument pricing risks. You'll be able to describe the different types of duration, how each is used in managing and/or quantifying risk. You'll be able to apply total return analysis over a variety of interest rate scenarios to assess risk and return as an alternative to simply using yield to maturity as an estimate of future returns. You'll be able to discuss alternative yield curves that are used to price or assess the value of fixed income instruments, including the current coupon yield curve, par coupon yield curve, spot rate curve, treasury strip curve, and forward rate curve. Come join us.